Hi, sweetheart. Can you crawl for Mama? I know you can do it. Show everybody how you crawl. For your toys. There you go. Good job. I knew you could do it. Yay! Now you can play with all your toys. Auden. Auden. Are you too busy down there? Auden, look up at Mama. Psst. Hey. Hey, you. Hi. What you doing, silly? Really? Of course, I put all these toys out and you just want the package. Auden, say bye-bye. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye. Okay.